What a trade.
Keep the punches up. Keep them up. Listen for the bell.
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman. Click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. Marco Antonio Barrera, kinikilalang alamat sa boxing, di lang sa Mexico kundi pati na rin sa buong mundo. Napakaraming bakbakan na ang sinunggaban, ilang alamat na rin ang nilabanan, gaya na lang nila Eric Morales, Juan Manuel Marquez, Naseem Hamed, Manny Pacquiao at napakarami pa. Talagang subok na ang tibay at tatag sa bakbakan, at isa sa mga ebidensya ng kanyang katapangan ay ang laban niya noon kontra kay Kennedy McKinney, isang Olympian. Ang boxer na nagmaliit sa kanyang kakayahan at sinubok ang kanyang angas sa basagan. Sa press con pa lang ng dalawa, sobrang minaliit na si Barrera. Sandamakmak na trash talk ang binato sa Mexican mula sa kalabang American. Di daw mga kilala ang mga tinalo at pinabagsak nitong Meksikano, at sa kanilang laban ay wala daw itong pag-asang manalo. Kaya di nakatiis si Barrera at sa press con pa lang ay pinatikim na agad itong hambog na kalaban ng isang kamao niya. WBO World Super Bantamweight Champion si Barrera dito at may malinis na kartadang 39 wins, 0 loss, 27 via KO. Habang itong challenger ay may kartadang 28 wins, 1 loss, 1 draw, 17 KO. 22 pa si Barrera habang si McKinney ay 30 na. Sa mismong gabi ng salpukan na ginanap sa California sa Amerika ay sobrang ganda ng palitan ng mga kamao ng magkabilang kampo. Halos walang atrasan, kamao sa kamao, matira ang matibay sa suntukan. Sa mga unang round, bigayan agad ang dalawa sa ibabaw ng lona. Makikita dito ang sobrang gigil ni Barrera. Gusto agad pakainin ng kamao itong kalaban na nagmaliit sa kanya ng todo. Pero itong challenger di naman nagpapalugi. Nagbabato din ng kanyang mga paisa-isang suntok gamit ang kanyang mas mahabang kamay.
Just doesn't get too comfortable walking to Barrera's right hand because Barrera has a very good right hand.
There it is. Doubled up with that right hand, lands a third one. McKinney smiles back. That usually means, yeah, you caught me.
Now McKinney just landed a right hand of his own, but he's getting hit a lot more than he's expecting this early, I'm sure.
McKinney's been knocked down in his Mexican crowd rooting for Barrera. McKinney soul stew for them. Right hand just missed.
There you go. McKinney landed the right hand though. And McKinney has a very good right hand. If he's in good shape, this is going to be a great fight tonight.
He throws the left hook, Roy.
Kennedy seems to be breathing a little hard already. Barrera to come straight down the pipe at McKinney.
Hard right hand landed from McKinney.
I told you McKinney has a very good right hand.
Pretty good because Kennedy has landed solidly twice with the right hand. Now make it 3.
Early in the round, Barrera served notice. You can see he's coming right there. But as McKinney said, who has he hurt? McKinney doesn't think he can be hurt by Barrera, whose effectiveness...
Also allow Barrera to counter over with the right hand if he's not careful.
Well said.
Body shot hurt McKinney bad.
Barrera knows it. Follows up with a barrage. Hard left hand.
Barrera has to be very careful not to punch himself out. These power shots take a lot of mission here tonight too, I feel, if McKinney can keep the body shots off of him.
And if he can continue to work at this pace.
Good right hand by McKinney. He tried to sneak one down. Oh, another
Jab and trying to test Marco Antonio Barrera. Comes with the left.
McKinney is one of the strongest punchers for his weight at 211. Be a very frustrating thing to Barrera.
It seems that Barrera is allowing McKinney to set the tempo.
Great for Kennedy McKinney, whose punch output had been dropping in recent fights, is when he throws that left hand to the body. There's another one right on the top of the trunks, and another.
But that's
Sa mga sumunod na mga rounds, mas madalas pa rin ang mga jab ni McKinney dito. Siya naman ang nagiging agresibo habang ang champion ay tila di pa nakukuha ang distansya para makatama ng solido sa ulo dahil sa mahabang kamay nitong challenger. Kaya ang bodega na lang muna ang tinira ni Barrera. Dahan-dahang inubos ang kargada at kung nakababa na ang depensa, tsaka naman sa mukha tinitira.
just like to see about it. Like that.
All three of those left-hand body shots missed. McKinney blocked one with the elbow. The other three were along the belt line and did no.
The jab is called is setting everything up for Kennedy. It's keeping Barrera to where Barrera can't think and can't set McKinney up. There he tried to hit him with a body shot. He can't commit too much to this though, because Barrera's still strong. Side, don't lay it there for Barrera to hit him.
Hard left hand by McKinney.
Early in the fight.
McKinney getting more and more aggressive. He takes a right-hand counter uppercut in return. And now this turns it around for Barrera.
He can't get careless. He's getting careless, son. Barrera's making it look too easy to him, and he's getting careless.
Barrera showing his counter-punching ability and then taking over.
This is a fight.
Barrera has been flurrying at the end of the rounds like a veteran trying to steal the rounds, but I can't imagine he's fooling too many people. 1-1 even for McKinney.
Keep pushing him back, and he's telling him the right thing because Kennedy's jab is keeping Barrera off balance by keeping him going backwards. Barrera is not.
Both fighters getting a little bit more flat-footed now as round 5 arrives.
Like that hook.
McKinney's fight by trying to jab with him.
Yes, he is, and that's what McKinney.
Now McKinney
Adams to come in and say something to the ref.
6th round of a scheduled 12. In the white.
You saw referee Pat Russell at the end of that round. I like the fact that he.
A left hook inside.
Kennedy landed a better right uppercut. Now he's not afraid to sit in. He can see what Barrera's doing. He had Barrera frustrated.
And suddenly Barrera looks very tired. He's never been knocked down, but McKinney appears to be dialing him in for increasing punishment.
Keep control and not rush anything, because Marco is not going to get too tired. Excellent right hand by McKinney.
This is a war. This is just a war, Roy.
A backyard war.
Both guys are landing shots with regularity. McKinney with a hard right hand.
A good hook. Good body shot.
Excellent double left hook.
Good pivot by McKinney to get his back off the ropes.
McKinney's on his heels.
But Barrera's getting tired also. Don't be misled by this. Both fighters are... Both fighters are... What a trade.
Keep the punches up. Keep them up. Listen for the bell.
Sobrang init na ng bakbakan. Talagang basagan na ng mukha. Ito ang laban na di ka manghihinayang sa iyong binayaran dahil sa lupit ng ipinakita nila sa ibabaw ng lona. Kahit makikitang nanghihina na ang dalawang mandirigma ay tuloy pa rin sa pagbato ng kanilang mga kamao. Talagang matapang at matibay ang dalawa. Nananalaytay ang dugong mandirigma sa mga ugat nila.
This is the only way of winning this fight. If you stay outside.
Couldn't believe his corner said you're letting him off the hook. He threw 113 punches.
McKinney is bleeding in the mouth.
Oh, what a right hand shot. What a return.
That's great body work by Barrera. McKinney has to hit Barrera's body to weaken him too.
By blow guy, I am just in awe.
Oh, what 2 shots by McKinney.
Who's got a better chance of lasting 12, Roy?
I don't know. It's very hard to say. McKinney has a big heart. Oh, there's a right hand by McKinney. McKinney has a big heart. Barrera's in a very good position, so because he knows he's used to it. Good right hand by Kenny.
Let it go. Step out. Break. Step all the way back.
Here is a clash of a veteran's skill and a youngster's will.
Round 8, mas tumindi pa ang bigayan at sa gitna ng palitan nila, nahuli itong challenger na taga-Amerika ng isang malupit na kombinasyon na tumama sa katawan at panga at bagsak ang kalaban sa unang pagkakataon ng kanilang bakbakan.
Kinney's best is to get into exchanges. He can just play him with the...
All he should do, he should not press him too much. Hit him once. Oh, but see, he can't get caught back.
Down goes Kennedy McKinney.
Bumangon pa ito at matapos bilangan ay pinaulanan na naman ng champion at bagsak na naman.
He'll never make it out of this.
Barrera is known as a great finisher.
Bumangon pa ulit ito at pilit tapusin ang round 8 para makasurvive sa bakbakan.
I think he may make it out of this round.
He's gonna make it. He's gonna make it. McKinney survives.
This is what this fight's been about. Right after McKinney landed a big, huge right hand, Barrera comes right back at him. This is the test of what makes a great young fighter. The enthusiasm, the ambition, the determination.
Round 9, tuloy pa rin ang laban kahit makikitang hilo pa itong si McKinney ay pilit pang nakipagsabayan sa suntukan. Di gustong mapahiya sa trash talk na sinabi niya kay Barrera pero sa huling mga segundo nahuli na naman sa malupit na kombinasyon itong si McKinney at bagsak na naman.
Very often, Barrera just bearing in. Showing patience. Crowd wants him to. He's got to be tired.
Just like he is now. He should be all over the guy.
Vicious combinations by Barrera.
Pero talagang matibay, may pusong mandirigma. Bumangon pa at sinabayan pa si Barrera.
Inside, McKinney carries.
52 total punches thrown, but here was the knockdown.
From this accumulation of punches, although he didn't...
Patuloy pa rin ang maaksyong laban sa mga sumunod na mga rounds. Mas uminit at tumindi pa. Kahit makikitang nanghihinaan ang dalawa ay andon pa rin ang tapang. Parehong gustong manalo at patunayan kung sino ang may mas matibay at may mas malakas na kamao.
He's not that hurt, but he is hurt. At Barrera, he has to try to hit a one clean shot because Barrera's still powerful and strong. Hit him up with a good right hand here. Oh, good try. Oh, he got caught with a good shot.
And Barrera once again looped.
Barrera is just as tired as McKinney is at this point.
Mouthpiece goes down. I think that's Kennedy's mouthpiece.
It is, but Kennedy is still on the move right here. He can't get careless though. He's walking right down the pipe with his right hand. He can't get careless here.
How about fighting with a bloody mouth and no mouthpiece, Roy?
If the ref should move back, the action's going good. The ref needs to get back out the way and let these cats fight. Yeah, there's no law there. He should have left the mouthpiece out. The guys were fighting excellent.
I think
Look,
he was
he's in the
worried
ring
about
now.
McKinney because of the bloody mouth. And
Round 11, nabilangan si Barrera dito. Bagamat nasa lona ang isang solidong kamao ay makikitang nadulas ito kaya natukod ang kamay sa lona at nabilangan ng referee nila.
Feels he's back in the fight now probably.
I believe that you had a margin on the scorecard.
I will constantly be, oh, good shot on the
Oh, good hard right
I will
hand.
constantly be after McKinney because
That's the first time Barrera has ever been down.
And Barrera wakes up and slips again. A minute to go in round 11.
scorecards be interesting.
Good combination in there by McKinney. He's landing the more solid punches, and then what an enormous benefit it was to the 30-year-old fighter. Hard right hand by Barrera. And a left-hand shot. They're gonna go to the 12.
Umabot ang laban hanggang 12 round at dito binuhos na ng dalawa ang natitirang angas nila. Sa unang minuto nabilangan na naman itong si McKinney pero makikitang dahil din sa nadulas ito. Tuloy ang bakbakan sa mga huling minuto pero sa mga huling segundo Tinapos ni Barrera itong hambog na kalaban. Pinabagsak na naman.
I'll keep you posted.
Defense.
Thing to go through. I went through that once in a fight with Delano Malunga. Oh, he's hurt.
Oh, tremendous left-hand body shot. Call that a slip, too. That was a legitimate knockdown.
Yes, it was.
And Barrera thinks he can finish. He goes in and starts taking chances to throw.
McKinney is a weak fighter now. Barrera knows it.
And that's it.
At nakita na rin ng referee na wala ng pag-asang makabawi pa itong challenger na American. Kaya tinigil na rin niya ang napaka-maaksyong laban. Natapos ang napaka-entertaining na sagupaan. Panalo si Marco Antonio Barrera dito. Matagumpay na nadipinsahan ang titulo via 12-round TKO at napanatili ang malinis na kartada nito. Pinakain nitong Meksikano ang mga trash talk na pinagsasabi nitong challenger gamit ang kanyang mga kamao.
Was a good right hand, but he did slip, I think.
That one was counted as a knockdown by Pat Russell. Here's the body shot, and that I think ultimately finished the fight.
I think so too because I told you back in about round 6 or 7.
Bisitahin nyo rin ang YouTube channel ng mga kaibigan ko mga pre na sina Philippine Sport History, Boy Astig PH, Usapang Sports at John Boxing TV. Gumagawa din sila ng mga video na siguradong magugustuhan ninyo. Maraming salamat sa suporta at panonood mga pre. As always, amping permi.